How you going, everyone? Michael coming to you from Australia. Just wanted to ask a couple of questions. If someone can answer them in the comments, would be much appreciated. I've got a question about my car, my Tirana. I've connected a MSD CD box to the car, and I've got a Holley Sniper as well. Both powers run straight to the back of the car. That's the length of the power wire, and the battery's in the boot. Now, my question is this wire, I've got both powers going to, I've got both powers in here going to the battery, but it connects here and goes to one. So there's one to the battery and two coming here, one going to the MSD ignition box and one going to the Holley Sniper. Now, my computer on-screen dashboard computer to the Sniper is telling me only 13 on the battery side, and it's got to be higher. It's got to be at least 14 point something, 14.5 say. And I'm thinking, because I've got the Sniper and the CD box that's under the dash connected here, and it should have been connected, one wire for each, one wire for the Sniper straight to the battery, one wire from the CD box straight to the battery. Instead of in the middle there, I've got it joined into one wire. I'm thinking that's how come I'm only getting 13 in the battery health, and I need 14 to run the Sniper properly. So just let us know what you think in the comments, and be much appreciated. This is the man cave. Got some guns down there. These tins are very collectible. Yeah, but that's me. Man cave. Anyway, let us know your thoughts in the comments. If you can subscribe, like and share, it'd be much appreciated. And yeah, if you can get back to me in the comments, it'd be much appreciated. Thank you.